Alright, so we successfully set up our Django project in the last tutorial. So next one we're gonna do is just starting up our Django app. So just gonna go back to the py directory here. Alright, so this is it here. Okay, so just gonna close this. Let's open up another terminal. Sorry. So in this terminal, I'm just gonna cd into the web app. This is gonna be python manage.py. Let's praise this first. You can see this also brings a lot of results. We are going to be using the start app. So this is going to be python manage.py start app. Then the name of our app is going to be to do. So we're going to be building a to do list. So it's working already. So basically you can confirm this by going to your folder. So file manager is here. Sorry, okay, file manager is here. So if I should go back now, you can see I have the to-do list already and everything is complete. So let's check out the file structure. Alright, so go back to py.3 back. So basically look for the web app. Alright, so basically this to-do list is our application where we are going to be writing most of our code. So these views here is where what we want the person to see is going to be loading, like the view function. You understand? This model is going to handle the database. This is for our admin. So we are not really going to be working with admin in this case, but this is just for the admin. Then apps.py is for managing application. Test is one if you want to run some tests file. This that int.py is just a random stuff created by it. Alright, so we have migration. Everything migrated will come here. So in the web app settings now, when we have the settings.py, where we're going to start settings, this WSGI, this actually works mostly in hosting, then the URL.py for our routing. So let's just go ahead and open the settings.py. So the first thing we're going to do is just add our application to it, and the name of our application there is under the start as is on what is to do. Just gonna add to do, then save this. Okay, save. Then next we're gonna do just create a new file and save this. Sorry, we save this in the web folder, web app in the to do. So we save this as URL. So we have to create a URL.py file. It's going to manage the routing.py. So save this. So after saving this, I'm just gonna make reference to the previous one here. So this web app has one, so we're just gonna follow this. I'm just gonna copy. Sorry, I'm just gonna copy only this. Copy. Then let's go ahead and open the other one, which is this one. I'm gonna paste this here. So basically we have this already. So what we're gonna do is just import all dice dots from view. So we are importing all views from views. I'm just gonna save this. Alright, so next message is just we have to include our URLs here. So from URLs.import part, you can see here. You can see it right in this place here. So we can import the part. So you're gonna a part is already installed, so we're going to add in include. Alright, so include this here already. So what we're gonna do is just open and enter route. Alright, so that's it. Then comma, there's gonna be include. Then this is gonna be to do dot URLs. Don't forget to close this. Alright, then save. So lastly, what you have to just open this, make this one an empty too. They can do I don't okay. They can do views dot index. So this will select the index method first, then I can give it a name equals to O. Alright, so you can save this. This is not still gonna work yet because we've not created the views yet. So let's just open it, open our views.py, then down here we can go ahead and do dev, that is function index, then you pass in a request. So colon, this is gonna be return http response. Alright, this is gonna be hello. So now this is not still gonna work because we've not imported what we call http response. So this is gonna be from the Django.http import http response. So let's save this. So now let's try and run this. Hopefully we don't get any error. So cd into the application, then python manage manage.py raw server. Raw server. Okay, so we have an error here saying settings.py comma y scanning string literally. So let's go to our settings.py. Alright, so after we go to settings, then we can just go to save. Let's save this again and try this again. So cd web app, then we can do python manage.py raw server. Okay, alright, so this is not working. This is also a dot, isn't anything. Okay, it's not supposed to be dot, sorry, my mistake. It's supposed to be asterisk. Okay, this is for all. Okay, let's give that a try. See the web app, python manage.py run server. Okay, it's saying asterisk is also not seen again. So basically it's the dot. So let's just go back there. Okay, from dot import this. Okay, this should work. See the web app, python manage.py run server. Okay, now it's saying path is not defined. Okay, so let's go back there again. Okay, we have to import path also. So let's just open up this one. I'll go to this place and copy. This is from the Django.url import path. From the Django.url import path. So it's just gonna be from the Django.url import path. Right, so let's save this. Let's try for the last time. See the web app, python manage.py run server. Okay, now it's working now. So let's just go back to our browser to test it out. If I should refresh this, it's offline. Sorry, I'm just gonna copy this. So paste this here. Now you can see the response is saying hello. So that's how we get started with the Django. With the next tutorial, we're gonna be working with the routes.